Today we're going to have a look at working with decimals. If you want to add two decimals together, you have to be careful that the decimal points line up underneath one another. So if we've got a question like 3.7 plus 9.54, I'm going to rewrite that. 3.7, my number underneath it, the decimal points have to line up. So my 9 will go under the 3, then my 5 and 4. Then I start my addition. There's nothing next to the 7, but that's really a 0. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 7 plus 5 is 12, put down the 2, carry the 1, but then my decimal points line up, so I have to put my next point there. Then 1 plus 3 plus 9 is 13. If you want to multiply two decimals together, I would think about the question without decimal points. So firstly, what is 12 times 4? 12 times 4 is 48. Then I go back to the question. How many decimal places are in the question? There's 1, 2, 3 decimal places in the question, so there has to be the same number of decimal places in the answer. So there's 1, 2, I need 3 decimal places. So my decimal point needs to go there, so I need to add in a 0 there. So my answer is 0.048. And when you think about it, 0.12 times 0.4, it's going to be a lot smaller than the original number. So that's why it's 0.048. When you divide by decimals, it's actually too hard to divide by a decimal, so what we want to do is divide by a whole number. So instead of dividing by 0.3, if I move the decimal place and make that number into 3, I've changed the number that I'm dividing by. So I have to do exactly the same thing to the number I'm dividing into. So I moved this 1 decimal place, so I have to move that 1 decimal place. So that becomes 39. So now my question is 39 divided by 3, which is much easier than the original one. And 3 into 3 goes once, 3 into 9 goes 3 times. And that is the answer. 3.9 divided by 0.3 is 13. In the same way, if I had 3.9 divided by 0.03, I still can't divide by a decimal. So this time that decimal place has to move 2 places. And that will make that into a 3. But if I am moving this one 2 places to there, I have to do the same thing with the original number that I'm dividing into. So that becomes 390 divided by 3. Then 3 into 3 goes once, 3 into 9 goes 3 times, 3 into 0 goes 0. So 3.9 divided by 0.03 is 130.